Welcome, all engineers friend. In this video, we will know types of Siemens PLC, features of different Siemens PLC series in brief, programming software for Siemens PLC, programming cable for Siemens PLC. Types of Siemens PLC. Step 5 PLC. Logo PLC. S7200 PLC. S7300 PLC. S7400 PLC. S71200 PLC. S71500 PLC. ET200 module. Some important things that can help you to understand this lesson better are: the full form of Simatic is Siemens Automatic. The full form of STEP is Siemens Technical Education Program. And a fail-safe PLC is the PLC that continuously monitor the safety devices loops. If there is any problem in this, it will shut down your process safely or it'll give you an alarm for safety failure. Modular type PLC is a rack-based system with individual power supply, processor, various I/O modules, communication module, and extension units mounted on one or more racks. Compact PLC is a PLC with power supply, CPU, I/O terminal, communication port in the same unit. Siemens has two hardware family of PLC controller: Step 5 family and Step 7 family. But Step 5 family is obsolete now. Simatic S5 PLC. 1. This is the Step 5 family PLC and was launched in 1979. 2. S5 platform was developed by Siemens in the late 1970s and early of 1980s as the initial offering of the Simatic family. 3. This PLC was DOS-based PLC initially. We use programming cable PCTTY PC to TTY adapter and programming software Step 5 for this PLC. Logo PLC. 1. Although this Logo 6 is obsolete now, but Logo 8 PLC is continue. Logo 8 model have more capabilities, but still rely on the same basic functionality. 2. The PLC comes with a manual which tells you with icons how to program it by hand using that little display and the cursor buttons. 3. But you can also program it using software running on your PC with a serial connection. Yes, this module is still programmed using a serial cable. We have two available version of Logo PLC. Logo 6 PLC. Obsolete PLC, we use programming cable Black Logo cable and programming software Logo Soft Comfort for this PLC. Logo 8 PLC is the new version. We use programming cable Ethernet and programming software Logo Soft Comfort for this PLC. Simatic S7200 PLC. 1. This is the first PLC of S7 family. S7-200 PLC is now an obsolete item and it is very hard to find. But S7200 Smart PLC is continuing with some extra features. 2. The Siemens S7200 PLC is a very popular choice when you start PLC programming. It is the cheapest PLC from Siemens, and it is very easy to begin programming. The smallest PLC model is the Siemens S7200 PLC. We use programming cable PPI, MPI, Profibus and programming software Swit P7 Micro Win for this PLC. Simatic S7200 Smart PLC. 1. Compact type PLC. 2. On-board Ethernet. RJ45 port for communication with programming device. No need any more MPI PPI cable for downloading or uploading program. We use programming cable MPI, Ethernet, and programming software Step 7 Micro Win Smart software for this PLC. Cymatic S7300 PLC. 1. This is compact and modular PLC. 2. The S7300 family is modular but doesn't use a rack. Instead, C connectors are used to connect modules from the back side, extending the backplane or bus. 3. This PLC is available in standard and failsafe version. We use programming cable MPI, Ethernet, and programming software Cymatic Manager TIA Portal for some CPU for S7300 of PLC. Cymatic S7400 PLC. 1. The S7400 series is a rack-based system with an active backplane. This means that multiple CPUs can be placed in the same rack. Racks are available with 4, 9 or 18 slots, and up to 22 racks can be connected together using interface modules. 2. S7400 systems are made for bigger, complex, and large machinery system where number of I/O are higher and having much advanced features. 3. This PLC is available in standard and failsafe version. We use programming cable MPI, Ethernet, based on CPU model, and programming software TIA Portal and Cymatic Manager for this PLC. Cymatic S71200 Compact PLC. 1. The Cymatic S71200 controller is modular and compact. 2. Cymatic S71200 controllers by Siemens are the intelligent choice for compact automation solutions with extended communication options and integrated technology functions. 3. This PLC is available in standard and failsafe version. We use programming cable Profinet, Ethernet, MPI cable and programming software TIA Portal for this PLC. Cymatic S71500 PLC. 1. This is modular type PLC. 2. Cymatic S71500 is the latest controller generation and therefore the most future-proof controller with optimal system performance. 3. This PLC is available in standard and failsafe version. We use programming cable Profinet, Ethernet, and programming software TIA Portal for this PLC. Cymatic ET200 modules with integrated CPU. 1. Cymatic ET200 SP is one of the most powerful decentralized I/O modules. 2. Benefits during operation: fast communication via Profinet. Modules and terminal boxes can be replaced while system is running, hot swapping. 3. This PLC is available in standard and failsafe version. 4. ET200 is available with or without integrated CPU. We use programming cable Profinet, Ethernet, and programming software Cymatic Manager or TIA Portal for this PLC, based on model number of PLC. We hope you liked this video. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get more videos on industrial automation. You can also ask your query by WhatsApp or email. Thank you.